So we are going to invite the t's and the e's. So with this, we'll be seeing t's and the e's being added together. Now, we know from the onset that t is 10 and e is 11. So let's start with this problem. 2t base 11 plus 1, 2 base 11. So t is 10, 10 plus 2, making 12. We can't write 12 because 12 is more than this base. So 12 divided by 11. 11 goes into 12. 1, remainder 1. So we write the remainder 1 here, and the quotient 1 will be added to the next number on your immediate left. So 1 plus 2 plus 1, making 4. So the answer to this problem is 4, 1 base 11. The next example is TET base 12 plus 1, 2, 3 base 12. So t, which is 10, being added to 3, making 13. 13 divided by 12. 12 goes into 13. 1, remainder 1. So write the remainder 1 here, and the quotient 1 will be added to the next number. So 1 plus e, which is 11. 1 plus 11 plus 2, making 14. So 14 divided by 12, that's 1, remainder 2. So write the 2 here, and the quotient 1 will be added to the next number. So 1 plus t plus 1, t which is 10. So 1 plus 10 plus 1, making 12. So 12 divided by 12. So we have 1, remainder 0. So write the remainder 0 here, and the quotient 1 will be added here. So that's the answer to the problem. The next example we'll look at is, let's say, 7t2 and 29e, all in base 12, base 12. So we have 2 plus 11, which is 13. 12 goes into 13. 1, remainder 1. So the remainder 1 and the quotient 1 will be added here. 1 plus t plus 9. T is 10, 11, so making 20. So 20 divided by 12. 12 goes into 20. 1, remainder 8. So write the remainder 8 here, and the quotient 1 will be added here. 7 plus 1 plus 2, making 10. We can't write 10, we write t. When you write 10, 1, 0, it's assumed that it is 0, remainder 1. So you need to write 10 at t itself. The next example, 4. Let's say 1e3 and 2t, all in base 12. So 3 plus t making 13. 3 plus t making 13. 13 base 12. 12 goes into 13. 1, remainder 1. So write the remainder 1 here, and the quotient 1 will be added here. 1 plus e plus 2. E is 11. So 12, 14. So 14 in base 12. 12 goes to 14. 1, remainder 2. So the remainder 2 here, and the quotient 1 will be added here. 1 plus 1 is 2. So that's the answer. The next example we'll be looking at, let's say example 5. Let's look at 3t e base 12 and e2t4 base 12. 11 plus 4 is 15. 15 on 12. 12 goes to 15. 1, remainder 3. So write 3 here, and the quotient 1 will be added here. 1 plus e plus t. That's 1 plus 11, which is 12, plus t is 22. So 22 on 12. That's 1, remainder 10. So that's t. So write t, and the quotient 1 will be added here. 1 plus t plus 2. T is 10, 11, so 14. 13. Yeah, 13. So we have 13, 12, That's 1 remainder 1. So write 1 here and the remainder 1. And the quotient 1 will be added here. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus E is 15. So 15 on 12. We have 12 goes into 15, 1 remainder 3. So remainder 3 is written here and the quotient 1 will be added to it. So this is what you get. Now you can try your hands on these 4 cases. You can try your hands on 1, 2, 3, 4. You can try your hands on these 4 problems to check whether you've gotten a clear understanding of what has transpired so far.